What's going on, guys? So, season's starting to change in Tasmania where I live. Started having a few fresher nights. By no means cold yet, but I wanted to get the diesel heaters ready to go. So this is my diesel and waste oil combination heater. I mix waste oil and diesel together to make a heating fuel. It's very similar to your basic normal caravan, but it's just an all-in-one system, so they're complete. I've got a couple of these, and I've also got a single normal old caravan one, which used to be in my old house, which is the one that made all the original videos. So, got a bit of a problem. Here's our fuel line. It goes down to our diesel heater from our fuel pump over here. So there's our suction there, and there's our fuel line to our diesel heater. We've got a lot of air in the line, as you can see. It's not, the line's not full. I'm going to show you how to purge it. So there's a lot of videos on how to do this purge kicking around on the internet. It doesn't work with this one. So this one, I don't know why they're different, but everyone else says to hold down these two and then you turn a heat button on. These ones, you hold down your up and down button. So we get a bit through our line like so. And this is really good because it stops whenever you let go of it. See, really quickly. Let's fire it up, see if it goes. Alright, so we're heating away. So it's starting to get a bit of smoke, mainly because we're using a bit of oil and also the fact that we just primed a bit into the combustion chamber. It doesn't matter, they're not always indoors. I'm going to pipe this one out through this shed wall, which just goes out into a laneway. The house one, the whole unit will sit outside. This one's just to take the chill off the shed. I might even put it in the back of this one here and pipe two of these into my work area there for the office. Hear the rumblings. So this one will tell you the actual air outlet temperature which comes out this side. As you can see, that'll start to rise. So yeah, I'm going to make a little mount up like a shelf that holds this up. Yeah, like I say, we can put two of these flexi ducts into my office, just pressurise the office with hot air through that wall, and then can push the rest of the hot air out the other side. A little bit smoky on the waste oil, but it'll fire up and it'll run clean. Already got 50 degrees coming out. Quieter with the muffler. Definitely got combustion trying to happen. So this is really smoky because I haven't used it for months, and I tried a few quick fire ups the other night. Walked past, turned the button on, walked away, and it didn't start. Come on, you can do it. Might need to run on a bit of kerosene or something, I reckon. This is why you do it before it gets cold in winter though. And the glow plug's gone out. So when the glow plug comes back in, sometimes at this point it'll actually light. So I can see the amp gauge over there, you might not be able to, but it's pulling 7 amps. Which means the glow plug's going. The glow plug always tries to clean itself after it's done a cycle. You'll see the smoke start to grow again. It's the glow plug getting hot. And with this slow airspeed, it'll quite often start to burn. And that's good because it's cleaning your glow plug off ready for your next restart. There we go, air combustion. So this is a bad example because obviously I use engine oil. In this you can see how black and yuck it is. I mix waste engine oil with either diesel or petrol. Whatever's cheap. I quite often get petrol out of wrecked cars, so I'll mix that. It's nice and warm blowing out of there now. So the colour changing, we're getting more of a carbony look. It's going to browny, blacky colour. Smoking the shed out, but that's okay. We can ventilate the shed. I'll open the door in a minute. Sometimes while it's still going through its phases, you won't get it to restart. Whilst it's nice and hot in there, we'll do a cheeky reset. Just clearing the combustion chamber some more. Glow plugs in. So I haven't run this one all that much. Used it a little bit in the middle of winter when I was doing stuff out here, but like I say, once I get it so that it heats the office and blows hot air this way as well in the shed, it'll be lovely. We get, I can probably pick up 1,000 litres of waste engine oil-ish a month if I wanted to, without looking for any. My mate's a mechanic, and he's always got heaps of it. Let's see if she'll start up this time. Right, took one more purge and another go. Now we're starting to get stuck into it. 100-degree air temp. Have a bit of a mix. You actually get a bit more heat out of it running on the used motor oil as well. It must be more carbon dense or something. Smoke's really starting to diminish now. Getting up to a nice burn temperature. It down a bit. Like glorious couple hundred CFM of 180-degree air. They'll go right up to 200 to 220, something like that. And the smoke's becoming very, very minimal. So yeah, quite an awesome piece of equipment. I'm going to leave this run for a couple of hours. make sure it's really well cleaned out, ready to go. We might even run a fresh tank of diesel through it. Getting ready for using it in winter. But yeah, this is kind of a bit of a how to bring your diesel heater out of storage and get it ready to go. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. I'll put some links to these on eBay and Banggood.com. If you buy one, I get a small kickback. Thanks guys, it means I can buy more toys to make more videos with. 212 degrees. It's going to be great in the cold winters of Tasmania.